Discover the secret to creating refined illustrations, focusing on both characters and background. Hi, I'm IKKI. I teach classes at Fevercell Academy and also create various promotional illustrations. Are you new to 3D tools? Don't worry. This class focuses only on must-know features for illustrators, ensuring a quick and easy learning experience. Let Blender handle tricky elements, like perspective, composition, proportions, and lighting for you. In this class, you'll work on 7 exercises and create 2 illustrations. To master the core skills, you need to make backgrounds. By the time you finish this class, you'll be able to achieve the perfect balance between 2D characters and 3D backgrounds. From planning an illustration to correction and completion, learn the full process of making a quality illustration where the character and background blend beautifully. I am Illustrator IKKI. I'll be waiting for you at Colosso.